Well, good Monday afternoon to ya. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. I hope everybody's having a showing off good Monday, and I hope y'all having a good start to a new week. But again, I'm here to tell you over in East Central Mississippi, I'm sure you can hear the wind, and I apologize for it. Yeah, it's finna rain some more over here. Looking at rain probably to the end of the week, but the good part about it is over the next 5 to 7 days, we're only gonna accumulate maybe about an inch of rain. Before we get started on this video, I always like to mention that if you are new to the Home and Sticks channel, I wanna welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over, I thank y'all for coming back. But what I wanna share with you and y'all today is, gracious almighty, I have a few things that I wants to share with you. Give me a second, we'll walk around and I'm gonna show you. First and foremost, Lord have mercy, I am getting over a sinus cold. I don't get them very often, but all of the really bad changes, Cash, leave the chickens alone. The really bad changes in the weather that we've been getting over here, it just finally caught me. Sinuses went haywire, but I'm actually starting to get over it. I feel a heck of a lot better, that's for dang sure. But over the weekend, Saturday, our goat, Sugar, actually had 2 kids. I'm here to tell you it was just something cool to see. And what I'm going to do is I got some video. We took a little bit of it, well, a lot of video, but I got some clips. I'm going to warn you, it's graphic. It is an animal that is pregnant and had 2 goats, so 2 kids. So I'm just going to warn you right up front. Can you go get a towel? Because it needs to come out. Yeah. Oh, yep, it's alive. Oh. We need to get it. Yeah. Here, wipe the mouth of it. There we go.
Here, you pull, but you don't want to pull it too much to hurt the leg.
There we go.
Oh!
There we go.
Baby Billy got alive.
Oh, it is.
Can I see?
Wait. Oh, wait.
There we go. There we go.
Good job, Mama.
Where's that other towel at?
You want the big one?
Hey, Mama Billy Goat, you faced it. You had to
There we go,
know.
Mama.
All right, she needs to get over there with it.
Go on, Mama.
See your baby.
Take care of your baby.
Oh.
Mama. Dad.
He's pretty.
Pretty?
Yeah.
Aww. Is that a boy? It's a boy.
Well, let's take a look at these kids and see how they doing. I tell you what, Skylar's just tickled pink. Let's go take a look. There's Mama Sugar right there. There's Mama Goose Sugar. Where's your babies at? Oh, there's one right there. Oh, there's another one right there. What are you doing? Mama taking care of those babies. So that was just really something just huge over here at my home in the sticks. This is going to be our first time dealing with a nanny that gave birth to 2 baby goats. So it's a learning experience for us, sure enough. Let's get out of here. In the video, you sure enough saw old Dan trying to help the mama goat with the first kid. The white one was the first, and she a couple of minutes later, 5 minutes later, had the brindle color one. I don't know a lot about goats, but I can tell I'm really good with body language, so to speak. And it was like she was just having a huge problem pushing that goat out. So I kind of, you know, grabbed the little hoof and tugged a little bit, and out the baby came. So I don't know if that was the right thing to do. Friends of mine that have goats, they was like, "Dan, just leave the goat alone, let her do her thing, and she's gonna be all right." But I'm gonna say I was kind of worried there for a minute. I was like, Lord, I hate to lose Sugar in the process of Cash. Leave the chickens alone in the process of having those baby goats. But everything worked out real good. From some research that we have done, and again, I'll ask you and y'all that watch this video, I know there's a bunch of y'all out there that have a lot more experience with goats. If y'all want to chime in and give some information about it, I take criticism really well. But from what we've read, sometimes male goats do not nurse off of the mama. I don't know if that's true or not, but we actually did go to our local cooperative and get some like replacement milk for goats and stuff like that. So I'm sure Skylar's going to be feeding one of the babies that doesn't appear to be nursing later on this afternoon. So well, we'll have to see how that goes. But if y'all have any information that y'all want to share as far as the baby goats and tending for them and caring for them, I'm all ears. I love the comments and the input for it, or from y'all. The second thing, look at there, no more pepper patch. Over the weekend, I tore down that pepper patch and got to work on this soil, and I'm here to tell you, it is looking pretty good. So as soon as the rain passes, we'll probably get to planting out a few things. It's just been so busy with work. I am like really behind on my seeds. I should have started my seeds probably in middle February, late February. It's been so busy, I just haven't had a chance to get any seeds started. But we may try to do some, and I know I've been saying it probably for the last month. Well, we're gonna get in that shack and start some seeds. I ain't done it yet. It just is what it is. It's just work. But I'm probably more than likely gonna put out a few Meta starts that I get from my local co-op. They have really good stock and healthy stock. So I'm probably gonna do that, and we're gonna get a few other things started. So y'all, that's what I wanted to share with you. Last 4 days, been dealing with the sinus cold. We had some baby goats born over here at our home in the sticks, and been slowly but surely working on that earth bed, expanding it. Sure enough, glad we got that pepper patch down. So now we have a lot more room to get our plan on as far as the earth garden. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up to help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home and Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over here and give old Dan a look, because I'm always doing stuff. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You sure enough get your shine on. It is important. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.